Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we talk about how we can create aesthetic videos. And I asked Lotel about how you can download aesthetic videos for free. So let's start our video. First of all, go to Google search bar and search Pinterest. Click on it. It's open and then first log in. You can see I successfully log in into Pinterest. Go to Pinterest search bar and search aesthetic videos. You can see there are many types of aesthetic videos. You can download any video. I download this video as example. To download this video, copy this video link. Go to Pinterest Video Downloader. Then open CapCut and click on New Project. Click on Import and add video from gallery. I choose this video that I already downloaded. I also add song to show you who we create subtitles of song. So I add this song. Add this video on timeline. And extract audio of this video. Because we add our music behind this video. I also add song on timeline. Again, go to Google search bar and search lyrics of this song. So I search this song lyrics. So song lyrics showing. Just copy this song first line and then come back to CapCut. Click on text and then paste the lyrics of song in text bar. So I speed up this video to save your time.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely. Time is barely out of sight. I don't. Waste what's left. So we chase. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely out of sight. I don't wanna waste what's left.
You can see we successfully made this video lyrics. And then export this video. Thanks for watching our video.